Good morning, children. Today we are going to study noun number. Now, what is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, what is number? If a noun that denotes one person or thing, it is said to be singular number. For example, boy, girl, bird, tree. These are singular noun or singular number because it is denoting single noun, one person or one thing. If a noun denotes more than one person or thing, it is said to be plural noun or plural number because it is showing more than one. Understood? So, the noun which denotes one person or one thing is your singular noun, and if a noun denotes more than one person or one thing, it is your plural noun. Understood? For example, boy, boys, girl, girls. Boy shows one boy, one person. Boy shows more than one boy, like more than one person. Whereas girl shows one girl, girls shows more than one. If I say chair, chair is one thing, one item. Chairs means more than one. Understood? Now, how plural noun are formed? How plural numbers are formed? Number one, it is very easy. We just add s to the singular noun. Whatever the singular noun is, we just add s to it. Clear? By just adding s to it, we make it plural. Second, we add es to the singular noun. For example, if there is any noun which is ending with s or sh or ch, what we do, we add es to those nouns. Any noun, any singular noun or any noun which is ending with s, ch or x, then what we do, we add es to those nouns. We add es to those nouns to make it plural. We add es to those singular noun to make it plural. If I say class, then what will be the plural noun for it? Classes. If class is a singular noun, if I want to make it plural, I will add es to it. Why? Because at the end of the s there is because at the end of that singular noun it is ending with s. That's in class is a singular noun which is ending with s. We add es to it to make it plural. Clear? Now, match, it is ending with ch. Match is a singular noun which is ending with ch. Now, what will I do to make it plural? I will add es to it. So, any singular noun which is ending with s, sh, ch, what we do? We add es to it. Understood? The first rule was if singular noun which is generally what we do to make a plural noun out of singular noun, what we do generally we add s to it. For example, boy, boys, girl, girls. First rule was first we add s to it. First rule of forming a plural noun was by just adding s. Second rule was if your singular noun is ending with s, sh, ch or x. If any singular noun which is ending with s, sh, ch or x, we add es to it. Clear? Now, what is the third rule? Most nouns ending in o. If any noun which is ending with o, for example, tomato, potato, mango, what we do? We add es to the singular noun. We add es to those singular noun. For example, like I told you, potato. Potato, it's ending with o. you will add es to it. Hero, it's ending with o, we'll add es to it. Clear? Now the fourth rule. There are certain exceptions. There are certain exceptions to those nouns which are ending with o. Like I told you, there are nouns which are ending with o. We put es to it. We add es to those singular noun. But there are certain exceptions. For example, kilo, Kilo. We just add s to it. We don't add es to it. There are exceptions like kilo, photo, ratio, commando. In these nouns, we just add s. We just add s at the end. We don't add es to it. There are exceptions. The nouns which are ending with o, there are certain exceptions to those. We just add s to it. Clear? Now, nouns ending in y. The nouns which are ending with y and preceded by a consonant. It means the last letter of that noun has a y. The last letter of the noun is ending with y and is preceded. Matlab, it means that the other letter, the letter before y, is a consonant. If any singular noun which is ending with y, but the letter before y is a consonant, then what we do? We add what we do? Es to it. Sorry, we add es to it. For example, baby. What will like baby? Baby is a noun which is ending with y and it has a consonant before it. Like it has a before y there is a consonant b. What is consonant? The words which are which doesn't have a vowel. It means the words apart from the vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So apart from vowels, all the letters are your consonant. Letters apart from the vowels, apart from these 5, A, E, I, O, U, apart from these 5 letters, all are consonant. So what will we do to form the plural noun of these from these singular noun? We will remove y and we will put I on behalf of y and add es to it. For example, baby, Baby. So we will remove y and add I to it and es. Understood? For example, baby, Baby. We will remove y and put I on behalf of it and add es. Next, story, Story. We will remove y and I and es to it. Understood? The words which are ending with y, we remove y, add I, es to it. For example, baby, story. Understood? We'll remove y and add ies. Clear? Now, the following nouns ending in f or fe. The nouns which are ending with f or fe form their plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es as. For example, what we do? The nouns which are ending with f or fe. How do we form? We change f or fe into v. For example, if the noun is ending with f, so what we will do? We will change f or fe to v and we will add es to it. For example, thief. Now, there are few nouns which are formed by changing the inside vowel of the singular noun. Now, there are few nouns which are formed plural by changing the inside vowel of those singular noun. For example, man, man. We change the vowel inside that noun, singular noun a, to e, and it will become plural. man, man. If we change the vowel a to e, it will become a plural noun. Man is a singular noun, and when we change a to e, men is your plural noun. Mouse, mouse. I will change the vowel o, and it will turn out to be mice. That will be a plural. Clear? Now there are certain nouns that are formed their plural by adding en to it. Like there are certain nouns in which what we do, we add just en to make it plural. We just add en to the singular noun and it turns out to be plural. For example, ox, oxen, child, children. So we add en to those nouns. Clear? Now, in certain nouns, we don't have to change it. We don't make any changes because both the singular and the plural noun are same. There are certain nouns in which both the singular and plural form are same. For example, deer, deer. Both the form are same. Sheep, sheep. Both forms are same. Singular also we say sheep, plural also we say sheep. Now, there are certain nouns which are used only in plural. It means that we don't use the singular form of those nouns. It is always used plural. Or we can say the noun which have two parts, the instruments which have two parts, we always say plural. We always use the plural form of those nouns. The nouns which have two parts, or any instrument which has two parts, we always use the plural form of those nouns. For example, if I say scissor, scissors are, because scissors we say scissors. Trousers. Now, there are certain nouns which are only used in plural, as I have told you, like name of the instruments which have two parts is always used as plural, is always used in plural form. I have already told you this. Now, name of certain article of dresses. For example, trousers. Trousers have two parts, so we always say trousers. We always use plural form of those nouns. And there are certain other nouns which we use in the plural form, like assets, tidings. These are always used in plural form. Now, the following nouns look plural but are in fact singular. There are certain nouns which sounds plural or which looks like plural but it's in fact singular noun. For example, name of subjects. We say physics, we say mathematics, electronics. These look like more than one, but it is singular subject. News is singular, but we add s to it, so it looks like plural, but it is singular. Name of diseases, for example, mumps, rickets. It is singular, but we use plural form of it. Games, name of some games, for example, billiards, draughts. These are the name of the games. This is singular, but we use plural form. We add s to it. Clear? Now, certain collective noun, though singular in form, are always used as plurals. There are certain collective noun, though it is in singular form, it is a singular noun, but we always use as plurals. Clear? You know, collective noun are the group of similar things. So though it is singular in form, its formation is like a singular noun, but it is always used as plurals. For example, cattle, people, poultry, gentry. It's always more than one. These nouns are always more than one. This is always used as plurals, but their formation is singular. It is formed like a singular noun, but is always used as plurals. Understood? Like if I say people means more than one person. Clear? So these nouns are formed like a singular noun, but it means more than one. It's always used as plurals. I hope I'm clear, everyone. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.